I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a truck windshield. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a utility knife, a caulk gun, and a new windshield. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. Preparing your workspace properly will make the entire replacement much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Let's get started. Now, let's tackle removing the old windshield. Using your utility knife, carefully cut through the old urethane seal around the entire perimeter of the glass. Once the seal is cut, with the help of a friend, gently lift the old windshield out of its frame. Take your time to thoroughly clean the truck's frame, ensuring all old adhesive and any debris are completely removed for a perfect new seal. With the frame clean, it's time to install your new windshield. Apply a fresh, even bead of urethane adhesive around the entire perimeter of the windshield frame. This is crucial for a watertight seal. With your helper, carefully lower the new windshield into position, aligning it perfectly. Once in place, press firmly around the edges to ensure the adhesive creates a strong, secure bond. Allow ample time for the adhesive to cure. After installation, perform a final inspection of the new seal to check for any gaps or areas that might leak. It's vital to allow the urethane adhesive to fully cure, which can take several hours, before driving your truck. This ensures maximum safety and durability. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.